If you've got a Land Rover Defender and you're not entirely sure what the small gear stick does, and you want to know the difference between high ratio, low ratio, diff lock and not diff locked, then this is the video for you. So you've got a small gear stick down there and you are able to select from having the diff locked or unlocked, which means that they're four-wheel drive. Defenders are four-wheel drive, and if you lock the diff, it means you've got the same amount of power going to the front axle as you do the rear axle. And then you've also got L, N and H. So L is low range or low ratio, so it's a low set of gears. And then you've got neutral, which is really good for tricking car thieves, unless they know more than we think. And H means high range, so it's a high ratio of gears. So for normal road driving, you want to have the gear stick, the small gear stick, over to the right and then pulled backwards. And then for manoeuvring trailers and going at very slow speeds, you want to have the little stick over to the right and forwards. And then for low traction surfaces, perhaps it is a wet field or something like that, you want to be over to the left and back. And then if you're doing some quite tricky off-roading and you've got a loss of traction and it's perhaps a steep hill, up or down, you can go for the low range and the diff lock. So low range and diff lock is over to the left and up. I keep looking down because I keep looking at the small gear stick. So I'm now going to show you what that looks like and select various different modes. But before we do that, I just want to share with you another tip, because I'm an ambassador for Morris Lubricants, so I would be doing you and Morris Lubricants an injustice if I didn't share this with you. If you're not too sure what oil your Defender or any other car for that matter needs, then go to whatoildoineed.com, powered by Morris Lubricants, type in your registration number and you'll find out gearbox, engine, diff, etc., all the lubricants that your Defender needs. Brilliant. Anyway, back to this small gear lever. Slide it over to the right and back for normal road driving, and if you have come to a complete standstill, just hold it in place as you pull away, and then slide it up and keep it over to the right, and that's for low speed manoeuvring with a trailer attached. Slide it over to the left for your tricky off-road terrain, and again just hold it in place as you pull away. Slide it back and keep it on the left hand side for those slippery fields. And there we have it, back in normal road driving mode. Well, I hope you have found this video useful or interesting, or maybe you're just a Defender lover and wanted to watch it anyway. You're all very, very welcome, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, yeah, happy Defender-ring-a-ning-a-ning, or happy off-roading, or are you buying the new Defender? Interesting.